Welcome back to our channel. If you're a sysadmin managing MySQL servers on Linux, this video is for you. Today, we'll walk through crucial MySQL maintenance tasks that keep your server running smoothly. Let's jump right in. Sysadmin Guide to Checking MySQL Server on Linux. Checking MySQL server status. First things first, let's check if your MySQL server is up and running. Use the systemctl status command to verify. If your service isn't running, no worries. Just start it with this command. Monitoring MySQL performance. Great! Now, let's keep an eye on your MySQL server's performance using MySQLadmin. This command gives you a quick status overview. Need to see what's currently running? The process list command is your friend. Checking MySQL logs. Logs are like your server's diary, detailing everything that happens. To check for any issues, tail the MySQL log. Checking disk usage. Running out of disk space can bring your server to a halt. Check disk usage with the dfh command. If disk usage is high, it's time for some cleanup to free up space. Checking database integrity. Your databases need regular checkups too. Use MySQL check to verify their integrity. If any issues are found, don't worry. You can repair them on the spot. Optimizing MySQL performance. Optimization is key to smooth performance. Regularly update statistics and analyze tables with SQL commands. Following these steps will help ensure your MySQL server remains efficient and reliable. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more sysadmin tutorials. Thanks for watching.